उमस भरी गर्मी को क्या बोलेंगे सर? उमस भरी गर्मी,
Umas means vapory,
Humidity.
humid.
उमस भरी गर्मी.
Okay.
So उमस भरी गर्मी means
You can say like warm weather. Warm includes hot plus this humidity.
yeah, humidity.
You can
Yeah,
say
yeah.
hot and humid. That is
So
also fine. Weather is hot and
yeah,
humid.
so nowadays, yeah, the weather is hot and humid. This will definitely affect children badly if they will go to the school.
Right.
So yeah. So this is all about happening here at Chhattisgarh. I personally thinking that school will open the 1st of July is
School will open by the 1st of
good
July.
for the yeah. So it will good for the children as well as
It will be good for children.
school also.
For you as well.
Yeah, it will be good for children. Yeah, for me as well.
Fine. Good.
Yeah.
अच्छा बोला वैसे तो. We were continuous. That is first major or important thing. You have ideas but you fail to convey it in a proper manner. And lack of certain vocabulary, but it will come with the practice. There is no other alternate way to that. Okay, hi Ravindra, how are you?
Yeah.
Hi. Fine.
Okay, this Hemant was telling about the situation where he's what he's facing right now. He has his own
Yes,
school.
he is right.
He has his own school and
The atmosphere is also
that
hot and humid.
so he has his own school which is facing like backlash, or which is being obstructed, and also the government authority has they have shifted you, asked him to shift his school somewhere else, because that area is under they government want to take that area, right, Hemant?
Yeah. No, sir. I am telling that government is issued a notice in which they are telling that school will be open on
Okay.
16th June.
Okay, fine. Right
Yeah,
now
so
you told no, but you earlier you mentioned that you're within a year you need to shift your school somewhere else.
Yeah. So that is the ACCL company. Which is undertaken or the area where we and the survey is completed. Yeah. So बस मतलब still they have to tell us that this is your exact amount. So people are waiting their compensation money.
Okay.
If they showed us, if they will show our compensation money, if the villagers are satisfied with that money, then we will मतलब घर को तोड़ देंगे. घर को तोड़ देंगे को क्या बोलेंगे?
We will demolish the house or destroy, you can say. Demolish or destroy.
Yeah, we will.
Property, government property or any private property?
और प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी सर. या सो जैसा होता है ना, खदान खोदना है तो वी आर राइट नाउ लिविंग इन द coal mines area. So our
They are
village
living
is
in a
at
coal mine
yeah,
area which is taken by some company, and company they have an access, or what do you say, they with the collaboration of the authorities have planned or issued a notice where the issued notice mentioned that within a year they want to take that property, and if the villagers are satisfied with
yeah,
the amount which the company will be ready
yeah.
to
They
pay,
are
if they are
yeah, they are
satisfied, then
continuously
uh, get
yeah, they are continuously calling us and pressurize us
okay.
to submit your all the
Documents.
documents of the property. Yeah, submit immediately. But we are waiting to without knowing how much you will pay,
Uh,
because if we submit
Real
पर्ची
documents.
पट्टा आपका yeah, real document, if we will submit, they will cheat us
They may
and
cheat
they
us.
will reduce
Mm,
yeah, they may cheat us and reduce the
amount.
compensation money which they
Uh,
yeah, compensation amount
mm,
uh, they told us. So before taking our village, uh, they they took uh, our nearby village where they where the officials uh, uh, मतलब उन लोग बहुत घोटाला किए सर मतलब जो जमीन को ले लिए और उनको दे डिडंट पे
they
एक्चुअल
manipulated.
अमाउंट
Yes, they have manipulated a
या
lot.
या या
They have played their game, you can say.
हाँ
They
and
have played
right
a
now
victim game or
CB
victim card, you can say.
yeah so yeah CBI investigation are going on the
Hmm.
officials. So one or two maybe arrested, and hope our village will not face such kind of
Situation.
Hope your village
situation.
same in future. In all our country, same situations are happening.
Hmm.
Yeah. So that is the biggest challenge, and they are waiting. They are telling us that you have only in rainy days, maybe 2 or 3 months after finishing the rainy days, they will मतलब बुलडोजर चला देंगे, ऐसा भी सिचुएशन के विषय में बात कर रहे हैं. सो
Okay,
सिचुएशन
so
आर
you have limited
वेरी
time to decide,
डिफिकल्ट.
and if you fail to decide, they will run a bulldozer over your place, right?
या
And they may run a
राइट
bulldozer
राइट
and demolish your house.
या so the BJP government is not doing right thing to the villagers, sir, because Odisha may face nearby. We are living in the Hasdev जंगल को क्या बोलेंगे सर, हसदेव फॉरेस्ट,
जंगल भी बोल सकते
वेयर
हैं, इंग्लिश में
अडानी.
जंगल भी चलेगा, फॉरेस्ट भी चलेगा, दोनों चलते हैं. Yes, tell me.
Yeah, so our government give the Hasdev jungle to the Adani
At one group is,
to
are you
to
citing an incident where the Adani group purchased a group of land where each land was sold or purchased at just 1 rupees in Bihar, right?
yeah, so Bihar also, Chhattisgarh also, Odisha, and recently Andaman Nicobar is also uh,
Andaman Nicobar,
given
I
to him.
understand they are very far and they have
Going to destroy the jungle.
yes, destroying the jungle, plus we have a law where every jungle belongs to their native or original people who are inhabitant or their place. they are obviously the tribals,
yeah,
right? Or tribal people, or if they it is
yeah,
a very low, or as they are ST people.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So for
So,
tribals they don't have.
and our yeah, one biggest issue arising, sir, that Abu's Mad or Chhattisgarh tribal belt, Bastar. where- So, Bastar, there are huge uh, jungle.
Hmm.
Bastar, Pehla
Large
Dila,
jungle, you can say.
where
uh,
lava is
Bastar is very famous
matlab,
place. These days it
yeah, yeah,
might be out of Naxal, otherwise Naxal were very, they have a very good foothold over that Basta region in Ori.
yeah, yeah. So, sir, it is not actual Naxal. They are their native people called
हाँ
Adivasis
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
who who protect their jungles.
Hmm.
They are called Lakshman.
Right.
In nowadays, what happen? यदि मैं
Yes,
अपने
yes.
हक के लिए आवाज यदि मैं अपने हक के लिए आवाज उठाऊं, they called me an Naxal person.
Yes, if I raise my voice
So
for
they
my
are
own right.
preventing.
uh,
Yeah, they are preventing their jungles,
yes, they are
and
protecting their jungle
yeah, yeah, yeah.
and preventing
So,
from encroachment.
so yeah, so that is what happening there, and they अपना they want to protect their jungle jameen. That is why they are standing against the government, and they killed all those people, and with the using uh, police and other other
Different ways, you can say, just other, right?
yeah, yeah.
Using
So
administrative
with the
power,
help of
police power, or we can say
yeah,
like,
yeah,
uh, or mafia power.
yeah. So mafia power. So in this way, they are taking the Balladila Bastar and give it to the Adani. So what we are, I want to talk about my place. Sir. We are not against the SCCL because we live in a place underneath our village. There are uh, so many coal. Yeah.
So many
So
what?
we want give कोल सर कोल मीन्स कोयला है बहुत ज्यादा कोयला है
Okay,
जहाँ
call,
पे हम
call.
हमारा
हाँ
गांव
हाँ.
बसा है
Jharkhand is very famous for
या
that, especially Singhbum Valley, I think. Singhbum Valley.
या our korba is also famous for
I
the
know. I have
coal
read
mines
about
sir.
it. Korba. That is a very famous place.
या या सो कोरबा मतलब जहाँ पे है वेयर वी लिविंग राइट नाउ मतलब यहाँ पे बहुत कोयला है और हम वांट टू गिव आवर प्रॉपर्टी टू द एससीसीएल बट ही चीट पीपल सर भाई आप हमारा जमीन ले रहे हो इफ यू आर टेकिंग अवर लैंड गिव अस प्रॉपर कंपनसेशन मनी
Compensation.
या हम हमें भाई प्रॉपर मुआवजा दे दो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वसाहत कि भाई हमें जगह ले रहे हो उसके जगह में कहीं और हमारा घर को बस आके जगह दे दो सो
Right, exactly.
तो यही हम चाह रहे हैं या बट they are totally cheated us sir that is the situation is not good here.
You may go to court also if you.
Sir, there are so many
Ravindra, they are
cases are
very aware.
pending. We
Even if you go,
cannot
even if you
fight
go
against
to
the
court,
system.
the case may run for years. Okay, and they know how to play with their
Yeah,
people. They very well know that how to play.
still so many, yeah, still so many cases are pending, sir.
I know,
And
I know.
uh, yeah, if we go for the dharna in front
Protest.
of the office,
Uh,
yeah, if we protest against their law, uh, there are so many people protesting every day.
I know, I know.
they didn't, मतलब, they do not,
They don't
मतलब
care.
वो ध्यान नहीं देते.
They ignore it.
Yeah, they don't care. Yeah, they ignore it. So we are facing such kind of situations.
In
So
all India, very different situation
so
is arising these days. Not only you have an issue
yeah,
with the land, someone has with the forest, someone has their own issue with their own life, someone has the security, someone with the exam paper, someone with the what we say rape cases, life threatening cases, pending this
yeah.
what we say court pending court cases. So many things are there, and media
So
is
all
not
the
there to
things
support.
are
Media is failing to work
yeah.
as per their uh, right, for what it is meant to
Yeah,
do.
right,
They
right.
are not in doing the right job, and
Yeah,
police is
yeah.
under the influence of politics. Media is totally under politics, which
They are
divided.
not. Yeah,
Administration
they are
is
not.
also under the influence of politics, and we say we the people of
Yeah,
India,
yeah,
we are impacted by politics. We can't raise our voice.
yeah.
If we raise
Sure,
our
sir.
voice for our right, it will take lot of time. It may take years, and with the energy level of energy with time it vanish. It decreases. For example, right now you go on protest, you have money for 100 days. You can without even with protest you can live 100 days. But everyone can't. Some may disappear after 15 days. Some may disappear after 80 days. Till 100 days only
Yeah,
very
yeah, yeah.
few people who have money they will reach there. And what if the cost of protesting increases compared to the cost of land? जो खर्चा होता है ना लड़ने
Same
के
thing.
लिए केस, सालों
Yeah,
लग जाए, आप
yeah,
केस
yeah,
ही लड़
yeah,
रहे हो,
yeah. Same.
जमीन से भी ज़्यादा भाव का केस लड़ लिए तब क्या करने का, उतने में तो आप दूसरा कमा लेते.
Yeah, same thing. Same thing happened to the farmers
हाँ,
in
even if you win the
protesting.
case it is
In,
useless.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay, Hemant, I would
So
like, can you please wait for some time? I want Ravindra to speak for
yeah,
few
sure, sir.
minutes. Okay,
Yeah, sure,
Ravindra,
sure,
you
sure,
heard
sure.
the issue. What are your views on this?
Yes, sir.
What should be done? What do you
Uh,
think about the matter?
the HCL named company, uh, they want to offer the land where the Hemant are live. Hemant and the all people are live there.
When Hemant lives
But
there, huh?
they not give the where the Hemant live there, but the company not give the actual amount of the compensation uh, they want, may they require, or the essential to buy a new home or new house as per their requirements
Mm-hmm.
as they may live currently. Mm, but the company are forced to pull them out,
Company is
forcing to pull them out. Uh, what say?
okay, cheat. You want to say cheat? They want to cheat. Okay, fine.
They want to cheat
Uh,
them, and they forcefully uh,
Forcefully. Huh?
they are forcefully
Pressure.
throw out the from land.
Okay. They want.
Forcefully throw out
uh, they want to evict or remove people from that land.
remove the people from their land. Oh,
Right.
but our current situation in our whole India, they are the whole people are facing the same situation as you said. Some may ask to their rights, some may they ask to their uh, protection, some may they ask to his uh, efforts
Huh.
which they put in the examinations.
Hmm.
And we also facing the corruptional situations. There are in the Hemant's village, HCCL is the villain, and we have also the villain like our municipal corporation and corrupted minister.
Okay.
They are they are also in the same category.
Okay. Right. Okay. I can't. Like I can't completely agree, nor I can disagree. Few are there, but they few are very good, but majorly people
But
are
the
in
few are
influ.
not the uh, come in front
Few those who are good,
to
they
lead
are not.
to lead their powers.
Uh, right. Few are good, but they are not allowed to work, and when they work, they are troubled a lot.
Yes,
They are pressurized a lot. They are seen uh, by different way. They are considered very different, which keeps them out of the group. They have to face that other challenges
yes.
if they are good. Okay, I am glad at least
It's
Ravindra.
like the green color.
Uh,
Yes, 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 yes,
Green
yes.
color what?
It's like the green color matched with the black color, the whole color
Turns
being
black.
converted into black.
Good
The
example.
good ministers are examples of the green color, but they join the political parties.
They too turn out to be
They
black.
converted into the whole black color, but they not work individually to establish the or converted the good situation.
Right. Oh, great example. Or the great example to explain the situation. So we should be like acid.
Kamlesh sir, Kamlesh sir, Kamlesh sir, I have a suggestion for you. Please join the BJP.
You want me to turn black or what?
Uh, like Raghav Chadda, sir.
Rahul Chadha.
But Hemant, in the Chhattisgarh, also BJP government are there.
Yeah, here is also BJP government.
Before the BJP, there are work Congress.
Yeah, before the Congress served 5 years. So during their tenure, situation are not bad. Uh, 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 currently, like अभी जो सिचुएशन है उससे बेहतर सिचुएशन था ड्यूरिंग द कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट. They think they helpful. They have so many good policies, and they build up our school smoothly, and yeah. So Congress government doing the very good job during their time period, but yeah. So EVM का जो इशू रहा, so that is, yeah, Chhattisgarh government is no one thought that government is मतलब सिचुएशन ऐसा था पूरा जीतने का था, बट वो जो ईवीएम का जो खेल वाला मुद्दा था ना, दैट इज मतलब हुआ हमारे इधर
Okay.
हियर एट छत्तीसगढ़.
Yes.
So yeah.
So situation was like
Many
that
people
Congress was definitely going
Yeah.
to win.
say like about the EV.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Situation was in favor
And,
of Congress totally, but due to some circumstances, for example, it may be due to EVM. You want to say that it may be due to EVM, the vote turned into favor of BJP.
So, sir, last 2 or 3 days ago, an incident occurred that 4,000 EVM machines are burnt out at Kolkata,
Okay.
where recent elections happening there. मतलब वहाँ ईवीएम मशीन ही जल गया, शिक्षा विभाग में आग लग गया, where नीट पेपर लीक हुआ था. तो all this are not good signs in the government's policy is not
Functioning well.
good. I think that in our Modi government's policies मतलब विदेश नीति को क्या कहेंगे सर?
Foreign policy.
Foreign policy.
Foreign policy is not good because that we can buy oil from Russia and Iran, who are ready to give us in a lower price petrol and crude oil. And crude oil's rate are also decreasing nowadays. But still we are buying in government is selling petrol and diesel in a higher price.
Right.
So this kind of policy, सर पब्लिक ने आपको वहां पे रखा है, आप पब्लिक के हित के लिए कुछ करें, बट यू आर स्टिल टेकिंग लोन्स. मतलब बहुत लोन लिया है गवर्नमेंट जो है इन द कंपेयर टू कांग्रेस.
I know.
सो आप कर्जा का भी बोझ बढ़ा दिए देश पर, और प्लस जो अभी आप कम कर सकते हैं वो भी कम नहीं कर रहे हैं, उसमें भी आप पैसा लूट रहे हैं देश की जनता से. इन रिटर्न यू आर नॉट गिविंग अस गुड एजुकेशन, और यू आर नॉट building good schools or hospitals, AIMS. Instead of that, only sir religious things are happening. Whenever election comes, Modi ji go to the temple and act like a god.
Act like a true devotee.
As this kind of and with camera and all the media are live telecast those activities throughout the whole day. So I have never seen such kind of things like before. But
Okay.
we are not we are not giving this we are not electing to do this kind of job, but it is his duty to manage the current situation of our country and give relief to all the people in the proper way. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Right. What are your views on this, Ravindra?
Yes, they also we are the under pressure in the US government to for the buy the crude oil or edible oil also, and another energy sector like LPG or natural gas. But uh, we
Okay, this Zoom has a limit of 50, around 50 minutes. So our class ended at that time. Mm. Okay, let the Ravindra enter now.
what happened?
Hello,
Yeah.
can you hear me, Ravindra? Am I audible?
Uh, yes, here, yes, you are audible, but the camera
Your camera is not
and the
functioning well, I
picture are
think.
not shown.
Wait, let me check.
Yes.
I can't see you, but I can. Hello, Hemant. Hemant,
Yeah, I can hear you properly.
my video is visible,
Yeah, sir.
but Ravindra, your camera is off.
Yeah, I can. Yeah, you.
Audible, but video is not visible. Connect the calendars. You have not connected your calendar yet. Connect how to manage all meeting and event.
I
Back.
think turn on your video, sir. Ravindra, sir.
Okay.
Turn on
Okay.
your video. Maybe. Yeah.
Yes. Uh,
Now it's visible.
what I'm saying.
Hmm.
Yes. What I'm saying that since last so many years we have purchased the crude oil from Russia and Iran and Iraq or uh, Arabian countries from the Arabian countries. Now we are under pressure in the U.S. government because of the too many trade deals. Uh, too many trade deals we have the both countries. Mm, but the trade deal is
We
not
have many
impacting
bilateral treaties with
only.
the Arab nations. Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. But the U.S. government are pressuring us to buy the oil from them only.
Right. US government is pressurizing us to buy the oil from them.
Pressurizing buy the crude oil. Yes.
Hmm. Okay. Are you?
It's the
Uh,
also for issue of the foreign policy, as the Aman Bhai said.
mm-hmm. You can say for it is also the concern of foreign affair or
Yes,
foreign.
yes. But the one challenge and one opportunity also we are in our country to develop our own product and our own energy sector for not depending to buy our energy from another country.
Okay. Okay. There is one plus point
We have
also.
to
There is
decrease
one.
our dependency to another
Uh,
countries.
so we need to be self-reliant in terms of energy security, right?
Yes, yes. People also need to uh, grow their skill by using the AI and also another features.
Hmm.
Education is most important for upcoming future days.
Yes, education is most or critically or
Yes, 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 yes.
highly important for the future generation and future of.
Highly important.
Uh,
Yes, yes. Amon by duty is more responsible in upcoming future days.
mm-hmm. Right. Okay. Let me ask you now few questions. Both of you make error. It's completely fine. Both of you are at some stage, but you are trying or putting your hard effort. That is also a good thing. The good and the most and important thing is that you are both of you or you both are speaking a lot. You have ideas, you fail to convey, you have limited vocabulary, that's fine. But it will come with the practice. But just I am requesting just to speak like this. Whenever you get a chance, just jump into the argument, jump into the discussion with your own ideas, whatever you have. From this discussion, you might have got so many good words. Ravindra, you might have got from Hemant. Hemant, you might have got from Ravindra. If you didn't get from any one of you, then you might have got something from me, the way I speak, or from the uh, list of my vocabularies, the way I frame the statements. From that you may gain, right? So again, I'm requesting you to be handy with note and a pen. Many times I make such a good statement, you may feel like writing it. So keep noting it. You will get many words like I said. I may correct sometimes. Big instead of big forest, I may sometimes give corrected word as large forest. Sometimes you can say forcing us forcibly. Sometimes you say pressure. I may say pressurizing you. Okay. Sometimes you may say foreign policy, I may say foreign affair. So these differences has huge impact. It will play a huge role, big role in your vocabulary list and the context how you use it. Fine. किसी को सब समझ में आ गया ना मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? बहुत सिंपल सा
Yes, yes.
Yeah, sure.
very simple and like easy going process I am following. You will never feel that there is nothing to learn. Every day something learning will be there, some learning will be there. For today only this much, and many days after few days I may change my way or pattern of teaching. Okay, so there are some surprises for you, but after few classes. Fine. For today only this much. Anything would you like to say anything? मैंने हर स्टेटमेंट में फीडबैक नहीं दिया है. जस्ट नाउ आई वांट जस्ट यू गाइस टू जस्ट स्पीक. ठीक है, अभी कोई फीडबैक उतना मैं हर छोटे छोटे चीज़ों पे बोल रहा हूँ, हर स्टेटमेंट में नहीं एरर नहीं ढूंढ रहा हूँ. ठीक है, फाइन. कॉन्फिडेंस
Yeah.
मैटर
So
करता
this
है.
is yeah.
बोलो बोलो.
If we get opportunity to speak, sir, in a if we speak more, then definitely by the time we can speak properly, or the word formation and the lack of vocabulary definitely reduce by the time. So the only way is communication. If we interact with you, and you will rectify
अंडर
our
योर
mistakes,
सुपरविजन. हाँ.
then then only we can improve. That
देन ओनली वी
if
कैन
I
इम्प्रूव बोल के मुझे बहुत बड़ा ट्रीट मत करो. बहुत सारे तरीके हैं.
no,
ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरे से ही सीख
no,
लोगे.
no, No, sir. We
This is
have
just
other option, but we don't go anywhere
uh-huh.
because we learn from with you. We are deeply connected with you, and you are the person who take classes according to us. That is the good sense, sir. If you follow the same boring tips and tricks and do that, is so if we generally conversation करने की if we are trying, then I think that this is the good way to learn.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So, yeah, so we need to speak more with you,
हाँ
and you
fine.
observe only, sir.
हाँ ठीक
Yeah.
है fine.
So that is
Even I am a student. I am not. Even I also learn from somewhere else. For you, I might be teacher, but for someone, I am the student.
no, sir.
Okay.
You are our guru.
ठीक है रविंद्र. Everything is fine now, brother.
Yes.
Okay,
Fine. Fine.
for today only this much. If mm, if any question, any queries, you can ask me. And for after few days, I will give you some other tasks to do. But still, I need some level of confidence from you guys. Okay.
Yes. We just step up the first step.
हाँ लेकिन आप अपने साइड से कुछ भी
We
वीडियो देख सकते हो. यू कैन थोड़े बहुत शॉर्ट्स वॉर्ट्स या कुछ भी न्यूज़ व्यूज़ देखो, कुछ भी देखो, अपने हिसाब से देख लेना थोड़ा बहुत जब भी फ्री टाइम मिले. न्यूज़ वॉचिंग न्यूज़ इज रियली गुड थिंग.
sure.
हाँ
Sure.
रविंद्र, यू
So,
वर टेलिंग मी
sir,
समथिंग.
sir, one request.
No.
Last classes, I give my introduction, but still Ravindran sir is not introducing himself.
He
So I want
gave the
to
introduction, but
take
you know
the
it was his
introduction
first
to
time. He gave introduction, but for him for him it was first time. So he gave very short introduction. For us also it was
Okay,
short,
fine,
very
sir.
short introduction, but uh,
Okay.
but
Ravindran
he
sir,
will give it
introduce
again.
yourself,
For
sir.
us he will again give it. Okay, introduce yourself, Ravindra, to him.
Yes. Yes. I am. After a long time, I was speaking the first time in English. Mm, so I have given the short introduction, but I'm
See,
trying to
Ravindra,
give
I'm telling
myself
you what to say in the introduction. Okay, don't treat it as the only way. I'm just giving you something to speak. Okay, tell him your name. And what you are doing right now. What are your interests? What are your experiences? And at the end, why you want to learn or why you are here. What is your profession and that all
Yes.
things.
Yes. Okay. Myself, Ravindra Rao, and I am also from the Surendranagar, Gujarat, which is the middle, which is in the middle part of the Gujarat state, middle district of the Gujarat, which is in the middle of the Gujarat map. In the Gujarat map, I and Kamlesh friends last we were in the I think fifth or sixth class. We are engaged. We was engaged since
We are friends
our
since our
schooling days.
schooling days when we were in 5th standard.
Schooling days
Uh,
till we reached in college. Till we completed our college days. I want to learn English because of my profession is the engineering background. Now we work with in our mother tongue language in our offices or in workshop or in the other working place. But we in the future we communicate to the outstate people like South Indians or another North Indian
In future,
people
if the occasion may occur where
for
we need to converse with the outer people, like foreign or
okay,
abroad people,
outer
uh, so
abroad people or another uh, project colleague. So English is most important thing for me to learn particular knowledge and for the also communicate to another people. So that's why I'm joining the class.
you want to utilize
Kamlesh are the master
he
of
want
the
to utilize English
yes.
in his professional life.
Yes.
And I don't have
Yes,
any
yes.
professional life. Okay, I mean,
No, you have the brilliant professional life. That's why we are the teaching from you,
learning from you, taught by you,
learning from. Sorry,
uh, or you can say taught
Yeah,
by
so
you.
taught by
Ravindra
you.
sir, Ravindra sir, one question. What do you do,
Yes,
sir?
I am mechanical engineer.
Yeah,
By the
mechanical
profession,
engineer.
mechanical engineering stream. Designing sector is the most important thing of the engineering sector. Mechanical engineering.
Yeah.
You know what is
So
designing
I
in
So,
mechanical
see
engineering, Hemant?
like the machining parts and another automobile parts or any other
Okay,
manufacturing process
इन्हें पूछवा देने
which was
लैपटॉप पढ़
occurred in industries.
You know what is designing in mechanical engineering field, Hemant?
uh, so technical engineering person, as per my knowledge, sir. Uh, so maybe there are different sectors. Maybe they design. Yeah, so engineering have different parts, like civil engineers, the person who build buildings, roads, yeah, and a mechanical person is the person who मतलब जो कंपनी वगैरह में कुछ मशीन्स वगैरह पे जो काम करते हैं, आई थिंक, एम आई राइट सर?
Yes, you are right. Where they work in the industrial sector, or you may say
ठीक है अब है
So
ना.
good
and
to know.
too many sectors are there.
Yeah.
कुछ कल के लिए भी छोड़
Yeah,
दो.
yeah, sir. So are you in government or private, sir?
Private company. I am also trying to catch the government job, but not still getting, not still getting a success. Am I correct, Kamlesh bhai?
Yes, he is trying to he is trying for a government job, but yet till today means yet he has not successfully cleared any exam. But hopefully he will land.
Cleared the exams. Yes.
Hopefully he will land in one of the one of government sector.
In nowadays and upcoming days, the English and communication skill also important for their sector also. For that sector also.
Sure, sir. Generation are changing, sir, and demand of generation is English.
Yes.
So we need to think about it.
कल सोचते हैं. We need to think. Yes, very right. कल सोचेंगे.
Yeah, sure. Fine, sir.
I need to go, brother.
Good night. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Yes.
Kamlesh sir is still preparing a whole night study. Okay, sir. Best of luck.
Okay.
Bye.
So next class, sir.
Next Friday. I will send you one to videos. You watch it carefully. I'm giving you one task. I will give you one video, okay, only of more less than 5 minutes. Watch it very carefully.
Okay.
Multiple times you can watch it. It will be story kind of story. Try to get maximum out of that.
Okay.
ठीक है, चलो मिलते हैं, बाय.